Are you struggling to get your niche audience to hit that buy button? Does your product or service feel like a tough sell, even to the right people? What if the problem isn't your niche, but your offer? If you want to stop fighting for every sale and create an irresistible offer your niche will buy, stick around. I'll show you the key elements that make your solution a no-brainer for your specific audience. So many online businesses have the right niche but the wrong offer. They present their solution in a way that doesn't fully resonate, doesn't clearly communicate the value, or doesn't overcome their audience's hesitations. A weak offer leaves money on the table and makes your online business a constant uphill battle. You need an offer your specific niche simply can't refuse. Imagine presenting your solution, and it aligns so perfectly with your niche's deepest needs and desires that saying yes is the easiest decision they can make. That's the power of an irresistible offer. It goes beyond just your product, it's the entire package. How you frame the problem, present the solution, articulate the benefits, handle objections, and add value. It's the secret to high-converting offers that drive sales in your specific market. How do you craft an offer like this for your online business niche? It starts with deeply understanding their pain points, which we've talked about. Your offer must speak directly to those problems and clearly articulate how your solution eliminates them. It needs a clear, compelling benefit statement. Consider adding bonuses, guarantees, or elements of scarcity to make it even more enticing. Packaging your core solution with these elements is key to creating a compelling offer your niche is waiting for. An irresistible offer isn't built by chance. It's built strategically by focusing entirely on what your niche truly values and desires. Ready to create an irresistible offer. Your niche will buy. And see your sales increase? Check out my other videos for detailed steps on offer creation strategy and building high-converting offers for your online business niche.